In this video, we are going to discuss everything you need to know about Rumble video hosting site, such as 1. What is Rumble? 2. Who should join and use Rumble? 3. Which countries is Rumble supported? 4. What are Rumble reviews from video publishers and visitors? 5. Is Rumble video sharing site legit or a scam? 6. Is Rumble free? 7. How can you get started on Rumble as a video creator? 8. Is Rumble worth the effort? 9. How to earn money on Rumble video sharing platform. 10. How much can you make from Rumble video hosting site? 11. Which videos are good for Rumble video hosting site? 12. What are the monetization eligibility on Rumble? 13. When does Rumble pay publishers? 14. How much does Rumble pay per video? 15. Can I re-upload someone else's videos on Rumble and earn money? 16. Where can I get videos to upload on Rumble? 17. Is Rumble better than YouTube? 18. How to cash out money from Rumble? 19. How to get featured on Rumble and how many subscribers do I need to start earning? And then we shall cover the last question, which will be an advice. 20. Has anyone earned money from Rumble video hosting site with payment proof? Then we shall look at that. Conclusion. And what advice will I give you when using Rumble? And finally, some secrets, tips to earn a living re-uploading videos you don't own to other sites. Anyways, welcome to Massive Hour, and if you love our content, please consider subscribing to support our channel. Thank you. Without wasting your time, let's dive to the point. 1. What is Rumble? Rumble is a video sharing platform that allows video content creators to upload their videos and share in the ad revenue received. It's also like YouTube, where people can explore various types of videos for different purposes. 2. Who should join and use Rumble? Like YouTube, Rumble is an open-source video hosting site for video creators and free for viewers interested in different types of videos, therefore anyone can join and use Rumble at zero cost. Additionally, the mobile application is free to install and use, as well. 3. Which countries is Rumble supported? Unlike in the past, where Rumble was not supported in most continents including Africa, by 2020, it established its premises, and now it's supported worldwide, which is good news to most people including Indians. 4. What are Rumble reviews from video publishers and visitors? Rumble being America-based business site, most publishers from different countries were complaining about the site not paying them for their videos. And the news went viral in the world, which forced the owner to hold a conversation with the Rumble team to settle all the complaints from publishers by handling one at one. It was found out that those who were giving bad reviews to the site all had something in common: had no audience, never had at least 2 videos on their accounts, never reached the minimum withdrawal amount, were sending invalid clicks and traffic to their videos, so that to earn money from the platform, among others. That was the report that came out from the Rumble team. But does it make the site safe? Let's see if it's legit or scam. 5. Is Rumble video sharing site legit or a scam? According to the reviews from the publishers and visitors on Rumble, the site was rated 2.9 in 2017, which wasn't safe for the platform's growth, and it had to work hard to take away such fake reviews by accepting Rumble to be supported worldwide. Yes, by 2020. After Rumble being supported worldwide, its reviews increased to 4.1 stars, and to most people, a site is considered a scam when it's below 3.0 stars. But to us, we only consider the site to be legit, safe, after giving it a try. And seriously, we gave this site a try and found out some positive and negative impacts from the site, which we are going to discuss in this video. 6. Is Rumble free? The direct answer is yes. It's free, though if you're a businessman you will have to pay for an account to access Rumble business tools, but for publishers, it's 100% free to get started, as well as viewers. 7. How can you get started on Rumble as a video creator? Getting started on Rumble video hosting site is straight away forward. Go to your browser. Search Rumble. Sign up, fill the required information, verify your account and save the password. And prepare the source for your videos. 8. Is Rumble worth the effort? I am sorry to bring this question in this video, but I would want to say, you will cover this question by yourself as you start using the platform as a creator. Your decision to join and use this platform will be the answer to this question, but for now allow me to head to the next question. 9. How to earn money on Rumble video sharing platform. Each video hosting platform has its own set of different monetization rules, and Rumble is the same. The thing about Rumble, though, is that it helps users to determine how much they're going to monetize. Let's see the ways for people to monetize Rumble. As a creator, you will have the option to pick from the following options after uploading a video in order to start making money off Rumble. According to this profit-sharing site, users will forfeit all their rights to Rumble in exchange for receiving up to 90% of what the video does on YouTube, as well as another 60% of what the video does by other partners. Let's discuss about the options a video creator can choose from after uploading a video. A. Exclusive. Users will give up all their rights to Rumble and have the chance to make up to $1,000, but there is a catch. If you also uploaded your videos on YouTube before Rumble. B. Non-exclusive. Users will maintain all of their rights to the video and earn up to $500 in benefit. This will allow Rumble to receive a non-exclusive license for a video where Rumble and its partners can use it, but the uploader still owns the video. C. Not for sale. This isn't actually what most people would do, particularly if they're trying to make money by selling stock footage. 10. How much can you make from Rumble video hosting site? No one must confuse you on how much you will make, but according to my experience, you will make more money if your video gets featured on the platform or if you receive enough views, even if you have no followers, and I will tell you the secret of getting every of your video featured before the video ends. You can take an example of this person whose video has been featured with only 25 followers. After following my advice before. 11. Which videos are good for Rumble video hosting site? Like YouTube, Rumble is open for any kind of videos, though to make it, you will have to deal in some specific topics, which we tried and worked out for us, but also, how-to's videos are good to get started. Therefore try to focus on one popular niche to make it off the site. 12. What are the monetization eligibility on Rumble? Unlike YouTube, Rumble has no specific eligibility to get videos monetized, but it immediately monetizes the video after being uploaded as long as the videos have a good descriptions and good titles, high-quality videos. With that, it will immediately kick off your journey to earn from the platform. 13. When does Rumble pay publishers? According to its data, Rumble pays monthly if your account reaches a minimum withdrawal of $50. And you will be able to withdraw immediately every month. Most publishers who fail to reach the minimum withdrawal won't be able to cash out and will have to wait up till the next month. 14. How much does Rumble pay per video? When I started using Rumble, this was always the question I asked myself, and I found out that I was paid $6.50 per 1,000 views, and whenever a viewer clicked on the advertisements placed on my video, I was able to make $0.99 per click. Which was awesome, but unfortunately, by 2020, after Rumble being worldwide, it became difficult to make that much as they pay 50 cents per click and $3.50 per 1,000 impression. 15. Can I re-upload someone else's videos on Rumble and earn money? Yes, but with some common sense, you can download a popular video from other sites, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and re-upload it to Rumble. But where does common sense come in after downloading that popular video? Upload to Rumble, and when it comes to selecting monetization options, make sure to choose the non-exclusive, informing Rumble that this video was uploaded somewhere else, and if you make a mistake of choosing the exclusive option, you will be telling Rumble that the video should be original on Rumble and you claim the rights, which will force Rumble team to claim that very video from YouTube as the owners, which may bring problems to the original video creator on YouTube. Where you downloaded this video, hope and clear, and if the Rumble team gets to know that that video is originally hosted by someone else on YouTube, you may get banned from the platform. Remember, Rumble has channels on YouTube, Vimeo, among other popular hosting sites. If you need more explanation, inform me in the comment box. 16. Where can I get videos to upload on Rumble? There are very many sources to download and upload videos on Rumble, but you have to be careful about the source and the monetization option you will pick. Like if you upload videos from YouTube, pick the non-exclusive option. Facebook, pick the non-exclusive option. Dailymotion, pick exclusive option. Metacafe, pick the exclusive option. Talk, you can pick the exclusive option, but after removing TikTok icons and labels from the video, make it clean. 17. Is Rumble better than YouTube? There is a very big difference between Rumble and YouTube. When it comes to audience, YouTube is on top of Rumble, and when it comes to payments, Rumble is paying more than YouTube. When it comes to internal marketing, Rumble is greater than YouTube since it can easily uplift beginners. Unlike on YouTube, you can re-upload downloaded videos to Rumble and start making money. But remember, when it comes to long time payment, then YouTube is still the leading site. 18. How to cash out money from Rumble. There are two cash out options, Payoneer and PayPal, and if PayPal is not supported in your country, then Payoneer, which is worldwide, will be a great method for you. And you will only be able to cash out if you reach at least $50, and most creators were complaining that they wouldn't cash out from their accounts. And some of the reasons would be that they had not reached the minimum withdrawal amount, the payment date wasn't reached, the withdraw button becomes active if you reach $50 and more. 19. How to get featured on Rumble and how many subscribers do I need to start earning? I remember getting my first video featured on Rumble and I was exited, and after making around $102.05 from that one video, I settled down to scale out what made me successful on getting featured, and I found it after uploading another video, and what I got is that they easily feature videos which are short in length, quality, and informative, funny, and because I dealt with pets and animals, I always went on YouTube/TikTok, searched some hot videos with huge audiences, I reduced the length, re-uploaded to Rumble, and all my videos started getting featured. You can have a look at my channel. And you don't need much followers to make it. Even with 0 followers, you can make some passive income. 20. Has anyone earned money from Rumble video hosting site with payment proof? Yes, but not all creators can. If you are after making money on this platform, you will be disappointed. This is not like YouTube, where you have to upload many videos on Get Noticed. Even one video can help. Just make sure you choose a video which will easily go viral, and once you're featured, you will start getting followers, which will be more massive. Okay, let me answer the question. You can have a look at my earnings per video. To get motivated, even other creators are making more than this, therefore what are you waiting for? Conclusion. What advice can I give you when using Rumble? It's an amazing site for beginners to make a living since it doesn't require capital to create videos, but it won't make you rich in order to make passive income from the site. I advise you to upload at least 4 videos every week, but before you leave I have some great news for you. Some secret tips to earn a living re-uploading videos you don't own to other sites. We are about to leave this video, but I have a great secret I want to share with you. Did you know that you can earn some dollars by downloading and re-uploading videos to 12 sites and earn passive income? Yes, in my previous video I listed and explained the 12 video sites where you can re-upload YouTube videos and get monetized from day one without copyright claims. It will be helpful to you if you check it out. Thank you for subscribing.